Walt Disney World in Magic Kingdom Park, and we just finished up our VIP tour. So our Witching on a Star travel agency took a VIP tour today. We had 10 of us on the VIP tour, which is the maximum amount that you can have. And if you're not familiar with what a VIP tour is gives you front of the line access to every attraction in Walt Disney World. So there are 4 parks in Walt Disney World, and you can hop from park to park. You can decide what parks you want to go to. You decide what rides you want to ride. So you just let your VIP tour guide know what you're planning that day and what you want to cover, and he will get you onto all of those rides. So you start by getting picked.
Of our VIP tour experience was looking at the standby wait times and then taking out my timer and tracking how long it took from our guide dropping us off at the entrance to getting our ride cars. And we waited less than 4 minutes for every single ride. Rides that are super popular like Test Track at Epcot, Space Mountain here at Magic Kingdom, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train all had a 60 to 90 minute wait time. And again, we waited less than 4 minutes for each ride. So if you're coming to Walt Disney World for a shorter vacation, consider adding that VIP tour to your package because you're really going to be able to maximize your time for not much extra money. So we could pick any park we wanted to go to. We just had to let him know where we wanted to go and what rides we wanted to ride. And they literally took us in the employee entrance through the back. No bag checks, no scanning your wristbands at the big gate or anything. We do all that ahead of time. And it makes things super quick and super simple. And it was an amazing and fun day. We covered so many more rides than we could have ever covered in even one Disney trip, like multi-day trip. So that was awesome. We had so much fun. So definitely hit us up for your VIP tour.
Did Rise of the Resistance. Jaime, our tour guide, took my little one Cody and we did all 3 attractions in Toy Story Land. So we did Alien Swirling Saucer, then we did Slinky Dog Dash, and then we did Toy Story Mania. Well, they did Rise of the Resistance. So we weren't just waiting for the rest of the group. We actually got to ride 3 rides. Well, they did that one attraction, which was wonderful. And then we met them when they got off. And Jaime timed everything out perfectly. And he told me where the rest of the group was in the attraction and said, we have this much time. What would you like to do? That was really great. So don't be scared to do this tour, with younger children, because you are still going to find things to do. Kind of the same.